So right now I have this speaker in the bathroom right here.
'Cause I know that God is in control, he wears the crown.
Hey, yo, I cannot believe that worked. That's absolutely crazy, yo. Hey man, I just made my very own chamber reverb. Well, kinda like my very own chamber reverb. I'm actually standing in my bathroom right now, and you might be like, yo, Wavy, why are you in the bathroom, man? But look, ultimately, a chamber reverb is a room that is built and specially designed to capture the ambience and use it as a natural ambient reverberant space. Now, these rooms take lots of brain power and lots of money and a lot of time to build and design to get just the right acoustics of that space and make them usable for an actual chamber reverb. But I'm about to DIY it myself, man, and I'm in my bathroom and I'm gonna make this chamber reverb. Now, what does the chamber reverb consist of? It ultimately consists of a dry signal piped into a reverberant ambient space. So right now I have this speaker in the bathroom right here, and I'm gonna play a completely dry vocal through this speaker. I also have my microphone up here. Hope y'all can see that. I got my mic. I'll get close up on it, but I got this mic and I got it in a position here that I think is gonna capture ambience pretty well. Now, with the traditional chamber reverb or reverb chamber, you could have a multi-mic setup, so you could be micing in mono, you could be micing in stereo, or whatever you choose, and then you could choose to swap out the different microphones or change the source or the direction. You could even change the height to determine the reverb time or the reverb decay time and all of that, man. It can get really specific with how you want that reverb to sound when you are using a chamber reverb, man. But we're gonna see how this chamber reverb works right here in my bathroom, y'all. So first, let's just go ahead and hear what the dry vocal sounds like without any of this chambered reverb sound.
I won't let the negativity get me down, 'cause I know that God is in control, he wears the crown.
Now, let's record.
I won't let the negativity get me down, 'cause I know that God is in control, he wears the crown.
All right, y'all, now let's take a listen to see what my custom bathroom chamber reverb sounds like.
I won't let the negativity get me down, 'cause I know that God is in control, he wears the crown.
Hey, yo, I cannot believe that worked. That's absolutely crazy, yo. That's nuts, man. Now, if I was gonna use this in a session, obviously I would wanna blend that in with some of that dry vocal. So let's hear how it would blend it in. We got the dry vocal.
I won't let the negativity get me down, 'cause I know that God is in control, he wears the crown.
You can't tell me that ain't fire. You can't tell me that ain't fire. Now,
I won't let the negativity get me down, 'cause I know that God is in control, he wears the crown.
To keep it real, I'm not gonna wanna do this every day. My wife is definitely not gonna let me keep that set up in the bathroom for much longer than me finishing this video. And yeah, man, and to build a actual reverb chamber, it just takes money and expertise and time that I just don't have. And when we're moving fast in this world of 5 mixes a day, having your own reverb chamber, it might be fun to do sometimes, but there's a much more practical solution. And that practical solution is going to be to use a plugin. Now, I got this brand new plugin from Kit Plugins. I'm going to actually mute this reverb right now, but I got this brand new plugin from Kit Plugins. It is a emulation of Blackbird Studio's Chamber D reverb, Studio D's chamber reverb at Blackbird. Now, plenty iconic records have been cut here and mixed here using this iconic chamber reverb room. And now we have that same emulation inside a plugin. So instead of you creating your own chamber reverb, why not just try to use this plugin? It's going to be much easier, and it has a bunch of features that I just can't replicate as fast as I could without using this plugin. So let me pull this up. We're going to go to kit plugins. We're going to go to the chamber D. Let's go to this mono to stereo, all right? Now, here's one thing that I thought was dope immediately was this dampening effect, right? So this is something that you could do. Hey, if you want more or less reverb sound, if you want it to be more damp, I love the visual demonstration of adding acoustic absorption in that room. I was like, yo, that's dope. The other dope thing inside this plugin is that, yes, you can choose the microphone. Now, I was using a 414 style microphone, but I was actually using an OC818. Now, you can choose whether you want a C24, the Royer 88, or a 414 style microphone, man. They got these different mics that you can change without setting them up, without spending thousands of dollars on these microphones, and you just get to literally just click and pick which microphone you're using. Then we got the different sources, whether it's going to be a direct source or a PA. You see how they drop that speaker in the room. That's what we were doing, or even a hi-fi speaker as well. So you got all those different choices. You got pre-delay. You got all of these. You even got size and width. Now, size and width, I don't think I could do that because the room is the room. It is the size and it is the width. But this is just some of the extra additions that you get from actually having this in a plugin and not being the actual room. We even got saturation down here. We got EQ. We got a whole filter section and an EQ, even compression. So this plugin goes beyond what you can do by just actually setting up your own chamber reverb in your bathroom. Now let's listen and compare. How does my bathroom sound compared to the Blackbird Studios Chamber D? Let's hear it. That's much more chambery, man. Let's go with the 414 style.
I won't let the negativity get me down, 'cause I know that God is in control. He wears the crown.
Wow, that sounds pretty good, man. Let's try to dampen it up a little bit.
I won't let the negativity get me down, 'cause I know that God is in control. He wears the crown.
I really like that sound, man. Now let's see let's do a hi-fi and see what that sounds like reamped back into the room versus a direct source.
I won't let the negativity get me down, 'cause I know that God is in control. He wears the crown.
I kind of like that PA a little better. Now let's play around with this saturation a little bit, man.
I won't let the negativity get me down, 'cause I know that God is in control.
We can get pretty gnarly.
I won't let the negativity get me down, 'cause I know that God is in control. He wears the crown.
All right, that's pretty cool. And of course, we got EQ and compression on here as well.
I won't let the negativity get me down, 'cause I know that God is in control. He wears the crown. I won't let the negativity get me down.
That sounds very warm.
'Cause I know that God is in control. He wears the crown.
This plugin is fun, man, and I love the fact that it's actually modeled and emulating a real room, that you could literally go to Blackbird Studios and work in this room, and this captures the essence of that room, man. But my room, I captured the essence of my bathroom too. Let me hear that one more.
I won't let the negativity get me down, 'cause I know.
All right. So maybe the Blackbird Studios Chamber D sounds a little bit better than my bathroom, man. What do y'all think of this kit plugins, Blackbird Studios Chamber D reverb plugin, man? Let me know down in the comments. Will you be trying to make your own reverb chamber? Will you be checking out this plugin? Drop a comment. Let me know what you think of this video. I'm Wayne for WavyProAudio.com. Be dope, man.